Hello guys, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service collision renovation center, and we also do commercial units. We've done several of them to date since 1997. So this 2020 Mercedes van is got a 2,000 watt Go Power inverter system in it. It's got a 3,000 watt APU unit in it, as well as a generator unit. So if for some reason the generator is running and it happens to shut off, it will immediately go over to the inverter system and or the APU unit, which will provide endless 120 volt operation for the medical team within the vehicle. We also install custom lighting up on the top, the dual battery charging system, an adjustable desk for the medical people, and a back spare tire carrier where the spare tire is now going on the back of the unit as well. So at MasterTech, we do everything bumper to bumper, from commercial units to recreational vehicles and buses and everything in between. We are America's #1 bumper to bumper service, collision, and renovation and customization center in America.